Hello everyone, this is Mamta from CADD Nest. In this section, we learn about the creation of simple table by using the Google SketchUp software. So that I am opening the Google SketchUp software. For the creation of simple table, I am taking the rectangular. And draw the rectangular for your convenient size. And take the tape measure tool. Draw the line at a distance of 2 inches. And take the pencil, draw the lines. After that, go to edit and delete the guides. Push the object at a 3 feet height. And erase that portion. After that, I am taking the rectangular. Draw the rectangular. And take push and for the design purpose, I am pushing outside the object. By using the paint bucket, I am taking the wood. And apply all the faces. This is the simple table. For more video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.